there, YouTube. This is a follow-up video to a couple of videos I posted earlier on my Keen Lansing Low work shoes that I bought. And this is them after 18 months of hard work. And they are officially being retired. I wore them essentially every day and did all kinds of projects with them. But as you can see, I'll do some zooming in. They are failing. There are holes through. We've got loose treads. Yeah, they're just past their time now. So I really did enjoy wearing these shoes, and I think compared to boots, they're much more comfortable. My feet were less tired, and yeah, they were just enjoyable to wear and work in. So I have gone ahead and replaced them with a new pair. So that should tell you all you need to know about how I feel about these shoes. They stood up well. I mean, I put them through the ringer. So to say that they lasted for a year and a half for what they are, I mean, that's all you can ask for. Nothing's gonna last forever, especially with the work I do and the wear and tear that they deal with. So got these are about a month old. You can see a little bit of cosmetic wear on them, but it is really nice to wear a new pair of shoes, and you forget how comfortable they are right out of the box. So yeah, all being said, I highly recommend Keen shoes. Again, I'm not sponsored. I bought these myself and replaced them with the exact same shoes. And as long as they keep making them, I'll keep buying them because they are very comfortable. They wear wonderfully. I mean, these shoes have done it all. And yeah, so anyway, if you're interested, go out to your local shoe store and try them on, and I think you'll be happy with what you find. So thanks very much, appreciate you watching, and I'll shoot a link to the two videos where I reviewed these when I first got them and then about 7 months later. But yeah, my opinion has not changed, and as you can see, I purchased them again. So thanks for watching.